Welcome back to Midcap Masala right here on ET Now. And let's put the spotlight in one of the other news buzzers for today, and that is Intellect Design Arena, as the company has actually gone ahead and won 35 Canadian credit unions for digital banking transformation. What does it mean for the company and what are the plans going ahead? Let's deep dive all into that. And we are being joined by Mr. Rajesh Saxena, who is the CEO of the company, joining us onto the show. Hi Rajesh, so good speaking with you, and firstly congratulations on the deal win, and you have signed 35 Canadian credit unions covering onboarding to the payments. If you can firstly help us understand how scalable is this rollout across the broader North American credit union ecosystem, and with respect to this deal, if you can help us with some size of this particular deal, implementation timelines, etc.
Sure. First of all, thank you so much for having me on this program. So I think let me just go back and tell you a little bit of the background of this deal. In March of 2025, we had declared a partnership and we had acquired from Central One their digital engagement business, which used to serve about 170 credit unions and about 130 employees. So in March 2025, we acquired this business. And from that time, we've been in conversations with most of these credit unions to see how they can move from their Forge platform, which was their legacy platform, into our eMAG.ai DEP platform. So that's the background for you to know, because Canada is an important market for us. So I think in that context, this deal is a very significant deal for us because 35 credit unions have decided to move from this legacy platform into our platform. And this will have significant benefits, both for the members as well as for the credit unions. From a credit union perspective and from a member's perspective, the significant benefits that they get, of course, is accelerated member onboarding. So we are going to bring in self-onboarding, a digital, completely seamless self-onboarding through doing real-time KYC and liveliness checks. From a self-service perspective, we are significantly going to improve the services that were being offered till now, whether it's payments, whether it's investments, and many other features which were not available earlier. We are going to bring it along with our platform. The third thing, which is very important from a credit union perspective, is an operational efficiency. Because we are bringing a multi-tenant SaaS platform, we will be able to provide a cost-efficient option to these members, to these credit unions. And also the credit unions in a rapidly evolving market, this will provide them a platform for rapid innovation and deployment. The fifth and the final thing that I would like to mention is that most of these credit unions are looking to attract millennial customers. So our platform, we are bringing some unique services in this platform, like family banking, social banking, and many other things, which will help the credit unions to attract their members, the new members, into their fold. From a member's perspective, this is going to be a very important initiative for them because this, yeah.
Right, Mr. Saxena,
Sure.
so that sounds really good. Just to talk a little bit more about this deal that you've signed with Canada, is this credit union playbook portable to other geographies also, like maybe US, UK, Australia, where mutual banks and credit unions are also large, but they are under modernized? You've done this in Canada with 35 unions. Do you have plans in other geographies?
Absolutely. And I think this is a very good question, because this model, this credit union playbook model, which includes digital engagement platform, both for retail and small and medium businesses, loan origination, is a model that we can take it to US markets, we can take it to Australia, and we can take it to many advanced markets. Even in UK market, there is an option for us to take this up. So our strategy is to really get this first done in Canada and then export it to other markets across the world.
All right, and Rajesh, if we can ask about your deal funnel, we believe that you have crossed that 12,000 mark in Q2, but historically, what has been your funnel to win conversion ratio? If we can give us some more sense over there, and what could be there in the pipeline?
Yeah, so I think as we have said in the last investor call also, our funnel is improving. It's going quarter by quarter, but I would like to qualify the funnel into various sub-components. I think we have a funnel which has got large deals. We also have a funnel from a credit union perspective. And since we're talking about credit union, let me just share some data around credit unions. For example, I don't know if you remember, but in August of 2025, the National Digital Banking Working Group, which represents 55 credit unions in Canada, had announced that they have chosen Intellect as a preferred vendor. So from that perspective, we are looking at a significant pipeline, both from a credit union perspective as well as our other deals which are progressing very well.
On that note, Mr. Saxena, we'll have to let you go due to a little bit of a time crunch that we have, but we hope to have a more detailed and in-depth conversation with you very soon. But once again, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much. Okay, on that note, viewers, we're completely timed out on this edition of Midcap Masala from Shrishti, me and the team that put this show together. Thanks so much for tuning in, but stay tuned to ET Now. Bye now, Sell Now is up next.